Hi kids, how are you? Hope you all good. Okay, today we are going to learn some shapes. First introduce some paint bottles. These are all the paint bottles. Okay, this is red color, sky blue color, orange color, light green color, yellow color, black color. Okay, these are all the color bottles. Now we are drawing some shapes by using the marker. Okay, first we have to draw the triangle. Triangle. Okay, after then we have to draw the circle shape. Circle. After we have to draw heart shape. Okay, heart shape. And then we are going to draw the star shape. Star shape. Star. Star. And then pentagon. And now we are going to draw the pentagon. And the shape is pentagon shape. Okay, and finally draw the square shape. Square. Okay, now triangle shape, circle shape, heart, star, pentagon and square. Now red color per triangle shape. This is red color for triangle. Sky blue color for circle. Orange color for heart. Light green color. Light green color for star. Yellow color for pentagon. And black color for square. Okay. Now we are paint all the shapes. Okay. First of all, we have to take the red color to paint the triangle. Okay. Red color. Triangle shape. Red color. Red color. Triangle shape. Okay, after we have to take the sky blue color to paint the circle shape. Okay, sky blue color, circle shape, sky blue color, circle shape. Sky blue color. After that we have to take the orange color to paint the heart symbol. Okay, orange color, orange color, heart shape, orange color, heart shape, orange color, heart shape. Okay, and then light green color to paint the star. Okay, light green color, star, star shape, light green color for star shape, and then yellow color, yellow color for pentagon, yellow color, pentagon, yellow color, pentagon, and finally black color to paint a square shape. Okay, black color, black color, square shape, black color, square shape. Okay, triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, and square. Okay, bye kids.